Welcome to this very short presentation. During this presentation, I'm going to tell you what will happen if you choose to sign up to our newsletter. If you choose to sign up to our newsletter, you will get a 10-week video course sent directly to your mailbox every week that will give you a short introduction and an overview of ADHD. The title of this website is Knowing ADHD. This course will help you to know what ADHD is all about. And basically, if you're the sort of person that has to live with ADHD day in and day out, then to have a more knowledge of what it actually is a great empowering thing. The first thing you will get is an introduction to my story. Why should I talk or know anything about ADHD? Well, the very first video will be all about who I am and what I've got to do with ADHD. And it's quite an interesting story. I don't mind saying so myself. The second thing you will find out in week 2 is what actually is ADHD. What is actually going on inside of there for yourself or for your child or for your relative that has to live with ADHD? What's going on up top? And who tells you what ADHD actually is? What causes it? What do we catch it in the air? Is it hereditary? Do we get it from our parents? Do we get it from the water? Are we just born with it? Is it sheer luck or not luck? It depends how you look at it. How prevalent is it? How many people actually live with this day to day? And believe me, there's a lot of controversy about the figures of the prevalence of ADHD. And what is a criteria for a doctor or a pediatrician or whoever to say that that person has ADHD and that person hasn't? What is the actual criteria? Who writes this criteria? Where does it come from? How is ADHD diagnosed? That's related to the criteria. Who sits down and makes that final decision? And what happens after that decision is actually made? You will find out all of this and a lot more over 10 weeks with this free course. All you have to do is put your email address in the newsletter sign up form on this website or below in the link, and you will start to get your course straight away. You will find out all these things all about ADHD, and hopefully at the end of 10 weeks you will feel more empowered to know about what ADHD is and how to live with it and face it day in, day out. Thank you for listening.